Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Oh man, it's a lot of beautiful things going on in the garden, but one thing that I'm most excited about are my pomegranates coming back. Last year I got one pomegranate, and after hitting the YouTube's universities, I was able to tweak what was going on. So I added a whole bunch of fertilizer, cow manure and chicken manure around the base of the pomegranate, and I started doing some really deep watering. So now the tree is completely filled with pomegranates again. So I'm super duper excited about that. Look at this thing right here. Look at that right there. Look at this cluster of three. It's actually three on there. And they're just all over. They're all over, all at the top. Buds and flowers everywhere. Behind the dragon fruit right there. Speaking of dragon fruits, the bees are going wild. Had a couple of flowers open up. One flower back there I couldn't even reach, but the bees got to it. But this is not a dragon fruit video. So yeah, guys, pomegranates are in full swing, and there's a lot of things that's in full swing out here. So beetles and bugs and raccoons and all kinds, not raccoons, what do you call squirrels? Everything is back here today. Spiders, oh my Lord. It's a jungle out here in Cali. Expecting a beautiful hot day today, so I'm out here early in the morning watering the plants and trying to keep them cool. It's not going to be in the 90s, but 89 is close enough, so I want to make sure everything is hydrated. But anyway, this is just a quick video. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and you guys have a beautiful weekend. Peace.